right, weather-wise out there, taking you out to DFW Airport. Yeah, it was a hot one yesterday. Got up to 104, as we know yesterday. 82 there right now, so it's cooled off some. We'll see if we get below 80 degrees. Not going to be nearly as hot out there for us today, and we'll have those showers and storms that we'll show you here with the timing with those moving through once again. Going to be muggy for you heading out the door. 85 right now is what it feels like out there, so we're going to be sweating it out a little bit despite the cooler temperatures. It's still going to be quite muggy this afternoon. 78 getting out to Rockwall right now. Good morning there. Wiley, you're at 77 in those mid-70s. Heading over to Kaufman, 75 right now, and looking a little farther west back into the Metroplex, a warm 81 there for Arlington, and 76 as we get up into Decatur there in Wise County. So we'll go through the day today with those highs only into the 90s today. So that normal high 97, the record 107 just a couple of years ago back in 23. But we'll be around 94 there for Waxahachie, mid-90s heading out toward McKinney and Denton, around 93 or so later today. Now we will have another round of some thunderstorms, it looks like, maybe a little bit higher coverage than what we saw yesterday. Now things have settled down a little bit here for this morning, quite a bit in fact, as we did have those storms yesterday, as we know, with those damaging downburst winds, but all that has settled down now. But as we get into this afternoon, watch out for a few more scattered storms to develop across the area. So here's how things may look around 4 p.m. And these may get going a little bit earlier, but sometime in the late afternoon hours, we will have those thunderstorms developing once again across the area. And those will continue on into the evening, and that same concern, the same threat with those damaging downburst winds that we can't rule out with some of the stronger storms as we head towards 6 p.m. And then things will begin to settle down as we head later into the evening, overnight, and then as we head on into the weekend. Maybe a few showers left over on Saturday early, but we should get through most of the day Saturday and Sunday as well for the most part. But then we'll have to watch out Sunday evening and Sunday night for maybe a cluster of storms if they develop up into Oklahoma, the Texas Panhandle. Those may make a run into North Texas as we head into the early part of Monday. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. But here's that weekend forecast for you now. Tomorrow, only around 89, maybe 90 degrees. We'll still have about a 30% coverage with those showers and storms. Then we'll be around 93. Should get through the day dry, I think, on Sunday. It's Sunday night going into early Monday. As I mentioned, we'll have to watch out for those thunderstorms. And here's that 14-day forecast. Maybe a few storms early on Monday. Right now, we'll go with about a 30% coverage. And then beyond that, we turn up the heat once again as those rain chances dry up, especially over the second half of that 14-day forecast, with those highs climbing back into the upper 90s. All right.